What is up, CTC family? Shaka Daniel here, aka Chase That Coin. Merry Christmas, and happy holidays to you all. Happy holidays to you all. Um, it's a great year. We're closing this year really well, so I'm excited about that. I think that there's going to be a lot of things going on next year. For those of you who are new, you did not miss out. It's just getting started. So I'm really excited about that. And today we want to discuss how to use moving averages and the RSI in cryptocurrency trading. All right. And we also want to talk about the official launch of my website, which is ChaseThatCoinTrading.com. All right, ChaseThatCoinTrading.com. So we're going to quickly look over that. Take a quick look at the spreadsheet that comes with it. All right, this is a free mock-up spreadsheet with live CoinMarketCap data that you guys can come over there and get for free. So we're going to give it a few seconds. I'm going to share this out, and then we're going to take off in the stream. I know it is a holiday, and I do have to go and put my my Christmas ham in the oven. Let me share this out. Because I am making a Christmas ham. I don't know if y'all knew, but I definitely cooks. I can cook. I do this. So if you're new here, I encourage you to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all of that good stuff. Also check the links in the description box. We got the links to the Telegram group. We have the links to the Telegram group. We have the links to the Discord group. We have a bunch of things. Check that out down there. Check the health of the stream. So how's your Christmas going, guys? How is your Christmas going? Pull the chat up. So like I said, we're going to discuss how to use the RSI. And the reason that I want to discuss how to use the RSI and the moving averages now, I personally do not make any entries off of these indicators. I use the indicators to complement what it is that I'm already doing. So I don't use the indicators to make entries, but you can use them. I wouldn't totally get comfortable with just solely depending on that. I would try to build up some different styles of technical analysis around the fact that I can use the indicators, but the indicators do help. All right. And starting out, this is a way to kind of get an idea of what's going on in the market. So I just want to show you how to use, a basic gist of how to use these two things. But first, I encourage you guys to come over here to ChaseThatCoinTrading.com. All right, check us out. If you want the spreadsheet, you have to come over here and download the spreadsheet. This is what the spreadsheet looks like. What's up? What's up? What's up? This is what the spreadsheet looks like. So this is live coin data. All right, this isn't the accurate price right now, but you can pull the live data. You would have to go up here and refresh it. All right, so you can pull live data. When you enter the coin, the symbol will appear. I'm not sure why power isn't here. The symbol will appear. You put the amount of the cryptocurrency that you have, all right, and it will tell you the amount in dollars. All right. It will also break it down into percentages as far as your holdings. So you could come over here, you can name these whatever you want. You could change these to crypto commodities, or you could leave it, or cryptocurrency, crypto tokens, whatever it is that, you want to put here, you can change this up. So it's live data. There's 2 pie charts, and you can get that for free in the store. Yazin, what's up, man? What's up? So come over here and check out chasethatcointrading.com. All right. The package is the training courses for a year, so multiple videos of training throughout the year, and also trade calls for a year for $350 US. All right, so let's talk about what we came here to talk about. First of all, the moving average, right? The moving average and also the RSI. Now, using these things, just using these things, right? Now, you can't like really hold these things to, okay, this is a great entry, all right, because these are reactionary. So these things are reacting to the market. They don't make the market in any form or fashion. Instead, they are reacting, all right? So the market does something, and then it reacts, and then it gives you an indication, all right? So you can't really hold, these things to heart. That's why I always encourage people to get some kind of form of technical analysis also. All right, so, but how you use these things. Now, the moving average is a cool one. It is one that I use a little bit more so than the RSI. I use the RSI as far as like a psychological thing, because I know people are looking at this. All right, so I know when it comes up to 70 and above, people are looking at it as whatever it is oversold. All right, so I'm just looking at this as a psychological thing. Saying, trying to get somewhat of a heads up. And we'll get into this in a little bit. But the moving averages are cool simply because they confirm up moves or down moves, and they can also be used as a form of support and resistance. So even if you're not using it to enter, some people use it to enter. All right, so the way you would do this is you would come over here, right? You would click indicators. This is Coinergy, by the way. If you're using tradingview.com, it's the same thing. Click indicators, all right? And then you would come over here and you would type in RSI. Click the RSI, it's going to come up. Then you would come over here and you would type in moving average. When you type in moving average, it's going to come up. You click it twice, so you can put 2 moving averages on. If you have a free TradingView account, you may not be able to put as many indicators on the chart as you want. All right, so you may not be able to hook your chart up with all the fancy indicators, that you want. But if you have a paid account, you'll be able to do, as many of these as your little heart desires. All right, so when you add these moving averages onto the chart, you're going to come over here, right? You're going to click this, the format. You're going to open up the format. Whatever you want to change the number to, that's totally up to you. That's about preference. Now, I personally like to use quicker moving averages for cryptocurrency. I like to use quicker moving averages, but if you want to use higher moving averages, that's fine. Just know that the crossing of the moving averages isn't going to happen as often, because the higher the time frame on the moving average, the slower and the straighter the line is. So let's quickly check that out. So you can see here, my line is bending and it's reacting to the market. I'm getting reactions from it. Now, if I had a really high time frame on, it would look like this. The higher the time frame, the straighter the line. It would look something like this. So that's cool too as a form of support and resistance, but I'm looking for, it's not going to give me everything that I'm going to look for. So like I said, you come over here, you press format, whatever numbers you want to put these on. Well, this is the volume. Whatever numbers you want to put these on, that's your personal choice. I use a 7 and a 14. If you want to use a 10 and a 20, that also works. I find that works also. It's pretty good too. So change one of them to 10 or whatever number it is that you like, and then you're going to come over here and you're going to change the color. The reason that you're going to change the color is because you want to be able to tell a difference in the moving averages. You want to be able to tell a difference so you can easily spot bullish or bearish crossings. All right, so you're going to do the same thing. You're going to come over, you're going to click the other one, and you're going to change the format of it. You're going to change it to another number. So like I said, I use 7 and 14. Whether you want to use 10 and 20, that's up to you. Then you're going to change the color. So one of mine is red and one of my moving averages is blue. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, so one of my moving averages is red, one of my moving averages is blue. Okay, and they are closed moving averages. There are different styles of moving averages. If you change it, it's gonna basically change like the way. It's basically gonna change how close it is to the market. So I find that when you change it, sometimes it's closer, sometimes the moving averages are a little bit below it, and they react a little bit different. I like closed moving averages. So now the way that you're going to use these things, all right, now, like I said, do not use this as an end-all be-all. I encourage you to learn some other form of technical analysis as well, but this doesn't hurt, all right? Now, the way that people use this to enter the market is when the lower or the quicker moving time frame crosses the slower moving time frame from the bottom. So the blue crossed the red from underneath. This is called a bullish crossing. People use this as a way to enter the market. Now, cryptocurrency is fresh and it's it has a lot more upside. So it does work a little bit better. If you use this in traditional trading, you're going to get eaten alive. And if you use this too much in cryptocurrency, it's going to, you're going to open up your risk of, your chance of failure. So I wouldn't bank on just that alone. But it is a way to enter the market. So you can use this, the bullish crossing, to make an entry. So when you get a bullish crossing, you make the entry and you ride it up. All right. Now, the bad thing about this is if you're only using this indicator, now you have to wait for a bearish crossing to get out. And depending on the volume of the market, you may not get a bearish crossing until you lose a good amount of profit. So there's pros and there's cons. If you want ease, you got to give up something. All right, everybody hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, guys. All right, so that's the way that you would enter. And like I said, if you want to exit, then you have to, wait for a crossing. Another way that you can use it is as a form of support or resistance. So let's say you got into the market off of a bullish crossing, and you're in the market now, and the market breaks below both of the moving averages. You can use that as a sign to get out. Now, you're going to get faked out by doing that because the market can break below, and depending on how the moving averages are, you may get, it may react different. So it may break below and then break back up, and then you're going to miss out. So, but the way that you can combat that is by combining it with the RSI. So the RSI is a little bit different. The RSI comes like ready to go out the box, so to speak. What's up, man? What's up? Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are all enjoying today. I'm not going to make this one too long. I just wanted to come and put a video out for the day. All right, but so the way that you can combat that is by using the RSI. Now, the way that I use the RSI is just for just the psychology of it. I know people are watching and making entries and exits in the market based off of the RSI. I know this. People have a whole style based around this. So when the market is oversold, I am looking at lower time frames to get a jump on the market. So I basically zoom into the market because I know that eyes are going to be on the market. So I kind of want to get a head start. That doesn't mean I'm going to sell because it's oversold. All right. Now, the way that the RSI works, the RSI goes from 0 to 100 traditionally, and people look at it as when it hits 70 or above, it's oversold. Or when it hits 30, so down here, 30 or below, it's oversold. 70 and above, it's overbought or whatever. So when the market comes up here, people are looking to exit the market. So if I make an entry in the market off of a bullish crossing, right? So that's a crossing of the moving averages, and I make an entry into the market and I ride it up and it breaks below my moving averages. If the market isn't oversold, then I may not be looking to get out this trade, simply because the psychology of the market isn't rapid sell mode. People aren't looking to sell because they're indicator traders. There's nothing wrong with that. I personally don't do that. I use the indicators to complement what it is that I'm doing. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? So make sure you guys come over here, chasethatcointrading.com. Come over to the store. Make sure you download the free Excel spreadsheet with live coin market cap data and pie charts. We got the Discord links, all of that great stuff. So I don't want to make this one too long, guys. I appreciate having you all here with me. Enjoy the rest of your day. You know, don't let this consume you. Quickly glance at it and walk away. Oh, before we go, Lisk. We called out Lisk last night. So we called out to enter into Lisk here. All right. And then the market shot up. So if you got into that trade in Lisk last night, you're up 15% quick. We also called out Bitcoin Gold. That didn't move yet. It dipped down a little bit, snapped back up. I think it's up a little bit, maybe like 2%. So let's see if that one plays out. But Lisk is up and it still looks bullish. Strat still looks very bullish as well. And I personally still think Strat has a couple 100% in it. That's just my personal opinion. But who am I? Yeah, man. Happy holidays. Happy holidays, bro. Happy holidays. I appreciate having you all here with me. I'm not going to make this one too long because I want you all to be able to enjoy your holidays. So until next time, keep chasing that coin, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.